Hello, welcome to our design solution. This is Yogesh. Today we are going to design the mechanical vise as you are seeing now in CATIA software. Let us start with the assembly of mechanical vise. First of all we need to open the assemble design section. Let us open that one. Now we need to insert the components, existing component. Here now I am going to insert the part number 1 and 2 and 3. Open. First of all try to take them out, then we will assemble the as per our mechanism. Select the coincident tool. Try to coincide with these holes. Make a distance between the planes 0 as you are seeing now. And then try to assemble the part 3 with part 2. Apply. Perfect. But try to rotate the part number 2. Yes. Once again apply. Just try to rotate the part again. Always try to delete this relation first of all. Now apply. Yes, perfect. Now try to give the relations. Like plane distance should be 0, okay, and then try to use the surface distance. Try to delete this relation. Now try to rotate the part number 3 as you are seeing now. Okay, again we need to insert the part number 2. It means Ctrl D, select the part, it will automatically insert. Apply, and then try to rotate the part. Okay, to give the surface distance, zero, apply. Try to show. Others try to make. Try to give the relation now. Yeah, now we need to insert the part number 4, components, existing component, part number 4 and 5, open. Yeah, this nut and bolt, we need to insert the nut and bolts, coincident tool, apply, perfect. Try to adjust it. Make it 0. And then try to insert the nut. And try to give the surface distance, make it 0, apply. Yeah, now we need to insert again part number 4 and 5, it means Control D, select the part again. Yeah, simply try to coincide with these holes, apply, and make it surface distance also 0, apply. And now we need to insert the nut, it means Control D, select the part, simply try to delete these parts. Now try to assemble the nut. Apply, but try to give the surface distance. Apply. Yeah, now we need to insert the part number 6, components, existing component, part number 6 and 7, open it. Now we need to insert the part number 6, select the surface distance tool, make it contact 0, apply. First of all, try to take it out part number 6. Apply. 0. Perfect. Delete that relation also. Make it 5. Apply. Hide to show. Or else make it that relation 2 mm. Make it 11. And make the surface distance between these surfaces, it should be 0. Perfect. Yeah, now we need to insert this threaded rod with this one. And then try to use the surface distance also. Make it 0. Now apply. But it is assembled in reverse direction. It means we need to rotate the part. Or else try to rotate the part. And try to use this. Rotate the part. We need to this one. Or else try to delete this part, which is 7th part. We will insert again, making trouble and will last the time. That's why I am going to insert again. Part number 7. Open. First of all, try to rotate the part in terms of Y, in terms of X direction, in terms of Z directions also. Now try to make it 1 by 1. Perfect. Now try to use the surface distance. Back to show. Now try to delete this selection. Now try to make it. Yes, perfect. Assembly of mechanical wise is over. Now we need to simulate this mechanism. Before that, we need to fix the base. Part number 3. Nut and bolts also. Yeah. Now we need to go to the DMU kinematics. Here we need to give the one revoluted joint. Click on the mechanism, put as mechanism 1, and then try to select the points in center axis, and then select the contact surfaces. Click OK, and then try to select the prismatic joint. Corners of the part 2 part 6, and then select surfaces also. Click OK. Like to show. Come to applications, mechanism, and then joints. Try to give the angle of driven, and try to fix the part number 2. Yes, you can go to the now simulator section. You can observe insert, put as a lowest rate, continue, play. Yeah, the simple animation of the mechanical wise also over. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, do subscribe to my channel.